Hi friends, welcome to Food Unlimited. Today I am going to present Sorrel leaves Boti curry. Let's see the process. Oil 5 to 6 spoons. Sorrel leaves 500 grams. Roast for 5 minutes. Red chili powder 3 to 4 tablespoons. Salt as per taste. Boiled boti 1 kg. Fry for about 10 minutes. Tamarind juice 1 cup. Mix it well. All-purpose gravy curry 1 cup. Mix it well all together. Ghee 3 to 4 tablespoons. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Cook for 5 more minutes. Shift it into the serving bowl. Sorrel leaves Boti curry is ready to serve. Thank you.